Social networking was first proposed in the early development of the World Wide Web. A social network is a website where people talk and connect each other. Social network can connect the people with the same interests and friends. The most popular websites like Facebook and Twitter are helping to speed up the process of communication. Topmost social networks are Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp. Twitter is a social networking app that allows users to send and receive short messages called tweets. Twitter is fairly simple to use. Nowadays, Twitter has become very popular. Since its birth in 2006, over 100 million people around the world have been using it regularly. Facebook is a social networking site that make it easy for you to connect and share with anyone. Facebook is the world's largest social network with more than 1 billion users worldwide. WhatsApp has quickly emerged as a go-to messaging app for over 1.6 billion users over the world. It is a fast and convenient way for everyone to chat, create and share anything. YouTube is an online video streaming platform. It is the second most visited website with more than 1 billion users.
Generations of computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. The first computer invented by Charles Babbage between 1833 and 1871. Five generations of computer. First generation computer. The first generation computer are used from 1940 to 1956. The first generation computers are made up of vacuum tubes. It is used for logic circuit. Second generation computers. The second generation computers are used from 1952 to 1960. It is made up of transistors. A second generation computer is totally based on transistors, not on vacuum tubes. Third generation computers. The third generation computers are used from 1960 to 1970. Third generation computers is marked by the use of integrated circuits in place of transistors. Fourth generation computers. The fourth generation computers are used from 1970s. The computers of fourth generation are used by the very large scale integrated circuits. Fifth generation computers. The fifth generation computers is based on parallel processing hardware and artificial intelligence software. This is the present generation ruling the world.
Online learning. Online learning is exactly what it sounds like. It takes place over the internet. It is a form of distance learning. It's interchangeable with the term e-learning. And LMS typically stores the training content, which is accessible anywhere and anytime. What is traditional learning? Traditional learning or education takes place in a classroom setting. There is a trainer who moderates and regulates the flow of information and knowledge. Then the trainer expects the employees to deepen their knowledge through written exercises at home. Nowadays, technology is incorporated in the classroom more and more. What are the differences between online and traditional learning? If you are deciding between online or traditional learning, it can be helpful to consider the below comparisons. Online education, it happens online, whereas traditional education, it happens offline. Online education can be conducted anytime or any place, whereas traditional education are forced in a schedule and place. Online education is flexible pace, whereas traditional education is imposed pace.
Almost everyone knows how to use a computer. Users have computer for surfing the internet, creating business, presentations, writing essays and many more. Children also use computer for many different purposes. Using computer at an early age will help kids how to use technology and be aware of its uses. For men, it helps in doing some electronic transactions such as making payments, purchasing and others. It provides tools and means to facilitate works such as tables, worksheets, presentations and many more. And for women throughout India are starting to become more comfortable using and learning through the uses of a computer. It helps to manage the list of things to be done. Managing and calculating budget is a lot of easier, and also they can shop things sitting at home. And for the children's, computer can be used in education field to improve teaching and learning process. Computer is used in college to provide the methods of teaching in different ways. It is used to educate students effectively. Many computer-based educational programs are available for learning purposes. Computer can be used in education in the following ways and different things to do from the computer. And for the grandparents, technology offers more than a basic communication tool. More importantly, it gives grandparents and grandchildren a way to bond and learn from each other. Studies shows the family relationship strengthening when exploring the internet and